Hello class and welcome back. We are now at the second lesson of our course. So our second lesson is about PHP comments. So ano ba yung mga PHP comments? No. So sila ay mga they are not actually codes, no. So sila ay basic okay. They are also codes pala, no. But these codes are not read by the program, no. So the compiler, every time the compiler sees code that is used as a comment, no, so it will just simply skip it, no. It will not consider it as part of the program, no. Yung compiler natin, every time it sees a comment line, no, a comment line, it will not consider it as part of the program and would just simply skip it. So ang trabaho lang ng PHP comment is to be read by people, ano, para mabasa lang siya ng tao. Bakit? No. Kasi sometimes, if you are working in a team, no, or with other developers, some developers would be confused of the code that you had written, no. So, minsan magtataka sila, saan ba gamit yung code na sinulat mo? For example, if you have a very complex code written in this line, no, marami kayong code dito, ikaw, in yourself, no, ikaw lang nakakaunawa ng code na sinulat mo. But some developers would be confused of the codes that you had written, no. So it's very important to give it a comment, no. Say something about the code that you had written for them to understand it as well. Also, comments is also used for you to remind yourself the code that you had written before. For example, nagsulat ka ng code dito, ano. Then several years later, no, you want to revisit the codes that you had written, nakita mo yung sinulat mong code pero nakalimutan mo na kung para saan siya, no. So doon pumapasok yung importance ng ating comments, no, to remind yourself of the code that you had written and to help others understand the code that you had coded. Okay? So ang format para makapagsulat ng comments, no, so double forward slash then yung comments nyo dito, no. So for example, sulat ka dito, this code is used to output a text, no. So ito yung ating PHP line comment, no. So halimbawa sa taas nagsulat kayo ng code na echo, which we will be discussing in our succeeding lesson. So echo hello, no. So ginagawa ng line of code na ito is to output a text, no. Specifically yung text na yun yung hello. Okay? So that's it for our PHP comments, and I will see you on our next lesson.